Welcome back, everyone. Last week I created a Chrome plugin to help identify phishing emails. Right now that plugin was based on a set of semantic rules, fixed searches on the basis of keywords, and it helped identify threat levels in emails basis of those keywords and semantic search. I've gone a bit ahead and integrated uh, Gemini Flash 2.0 LLM to make it a bit smarter. So rather than just identifying keywords, it understands the context of those keywords, right? So a word like credit card or a password can be a red flag, but not if it's coming as a warning message from your bank that do not share your password and credit card with anyone, right? The previous version would highlight those as suspicious, but this time, because of the LLM, it understands the context and then highlights accordingly. As usual, I have the code available on my Git. I have created a separate branch for it right now. I've not merged it onto my main. I'm going to keep it that way until I'm satisfied with it. You have a detailed README document that helps you set it up at your end, right? Just make sure that you use the config template.js to create config.js where you can add your API key. You can get that from the Google Gemini uh, page on the Google Cloud Console. Right? It's free, so you don't have to worry about charges or expenses, right? Um, yeah, so again, I have used cursor this time as well, and it has helped a lot. um, you have to be careful though, because what it does is with every change, every amendment, it deletes the entire file and recreates it. So if you're not careful and you accept all the changes as they are, you might lose any changes that you've done in the past, right? So let's take a look at what it looks like. Now this is, I know I shouldn't share this, but this is my credit card activity, right? If I activate the detector here, so everything is same. It just says low risk, nothing, right? And this is a boilerplate message that has been integrated part of the pop-up to keep an eye on, so that you're aware what you should look for, right? I'll check for a sample phishing email that I've created myself. High risk, likely phishing attempt, right? Detected issues, the subject line creates artificial urgency, which is true. Immediate action required, unauthorized login attempt, right? The sender's email at the rate Gmail does not align with established business generic. That's true. If you look at the final message, it says from BMO Bank, which is a bank here, but the sender's email is Gmail, which is wrong, which is never going to happen, right? Then there is a legitimate security concern rarely original from free email service, like I said, right? Recommendations: do not click, do not download, do not reply, report it. Let's look at another kind of phishing email, but this is not so intense and on your face, right? It's a bit mild. So again, phishing email uses generic greeting, which is true. Hi there, nothing more than that. Claims the suggestion is not urgent, but there is still a pressure to update preference within a few weeks. You see, the LLM is smart enough to identify that they are not pressuring you immediately, but there is a sense of pressure involved there. Again, the email address is a very generic Gmail address, right? So these are the changes that have been integrated. Just like before, let's try to use it here. We should get that. It is not an email, right? So this is it. This is where we are. Hope you enjoy it. Feel free to play with it. If you want to contribute, feel free to do so. And thank you for watching.